How to fix TalkTalk account password reset not working. So in here, the very first thing that I recommend you guys do is ensure the recovery email or phone number entered matches the TalkTalk account records. So after doing that, here another thing that you can do is simply try to clear all of the cache and disable any sort of VPN. So if you are using any sort of VPN, scroll down to your control panel, long press on these network logos, and in here make sure that VPN is turned off, right? So after doing that, here like I said, you need to clear all of the cache. So for that, go back and open the settings of your phone. Then from your settings, scroll down a bit, then tap on general, then tap on iPhone storage. From here, keep on scrolling until you find the TalkTalk application. Tap on that one, then tap on offload app. Tap on offload app one more time in order to offload all of the applications. Then you'll be able to see reinstall app. Tap on it, and in order to reinstall the application, you'll successfully be reinstalled it, and you can simply open it and see if it's working or not. If it's still not working, then finally what you can do is simply try to call their customer service. You can actually get their customer service via the customer service number via online. You can simply get to their website, and in here you'll actually be able to get to their help center, and then you can simply try to contact. Tap on report a problem with my phone number. You can simply do that, and just like this, you'll actually be able to fix your TalkTalk account password reset not working. So if you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below.